and gentlemen, a very good morning. My name is Eric. A little bit about myself is I work as a community pharmacist and I have 2 years of working experience in drug enforcement pharmacy under the MOH, under the Public Awareness Department. Now today I'm here to actually provide you solutions for your pharmacy business to position yourself better in the market as well as to position your organization more professionally. The system that I'm mentioning is the Drug Safety Standard Operating Procedure, or DSSOP. It's actually to improve the drug safety among your customers in your pharmacy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you may think, why you need an SOP in your pharmacy? Well, the answer is simple. Can I have a raise of hand? How many of you actually have been to pharmacy to buy medicine when you're not feeling well? Okay, you just get your medicine and leave, or the pharmacist actually tell you some counseling tips or what before you actually leave the place? No. Probably yes, probably no, some maybe no. Okay. Now, the needs is actually, recently there are actually a report that saying that there are poor counseling on drug safety provided by pharmacists as posted by the Malaysian Pharmaceutical Society. Now, some of the real case scenario is a patient went into a pharmacy and it actually asked for a suppository, and the pharmacist actually sells the suppository for the patients to go home without any counseling. And when the patient reached home, he didn't know how to take the suppository and he actually put it into his mouth, right, instead of putting into the anus. Now, don't laugh, this is a real case scenario. And there is also an increasing of self-medication. Meaning of self-medication is when you get not feeling well, you actually buy medication and consume yourself without any proper counseling by the doctors or the pharmacists. According to statistics, there are actually 85% of us among Malaysians actually use self-medication at least once. And ladies and gentlemen, there is an increase of counterfeit medicine in our market nowadays. Counterfeit medicine meaning that, in other words, it's fake medicines or unregistered products. There are 14 million of counterfeit drug actually seized in 2011 itself. Now, from the DSSOP, it actually can help your organizations to reduce the drug misuse cases and to raise awareness of your customers against the counterfeit and unregistered products. And ultimately, it also helps to increase the number of return customers to your pharmacy. Now, throughout my project, they are divided into 5 main phases. In the first phase is the identification of the needs of this SOP in your organization. And in phase 2, we will focus on the development of the SSOP. And phase 3, we actually helps you to develop educational tools such as brochures and other tools for your customers. In phase 4, we actually coach your staff, your pharmacy staff in using the SSOP. And in phase 5, is actually follow up and feedbacks, where we will use survey techniques to assess your customer knowledge. Now let's focus on phase 2, the building of the SSOP. This is a step where we actually collaborate with the pharmacist and also the branch manager in building the SOP. We will use face-to-face meeting in this process, as well as, ladies and gentlemen, on your table there will be handouts. In my handouts, there are actually a sample of the suggestion form that will be distributed to the business owner, pharmacy branch manager, and pharmacy staff to actually comment on the SOP created, or as well as to enhance the details for the SOP. Now, through cost-benefit analysis, it actually identified 3 main areas of beneficials. The first with the company, of course, it improves your efficiency and effectiveness, and also it increase the return customer to your pharmacy. Of course, it will improve organization growth. It improves employee satisfaction because end of the day you help your patients. and ultimately increase the revenue of your business. For customers, it will help to increase your customer satisfaction and improve the drug safetiness and increase the awareness of these unregistered products. And beneficial to the whole pharmaceutical industry is, of course, it helps your organization as well as to improve the reputation of the pharmacies in Malaysia. And of course, it reduces the counterfeit medicine in the market as well. Now, how to sustain in long term, ladies and gentlemen? We strongly suggest that we will help you in updating the existing SOP and the health brochure at least once a year. Okay, to cater and to incorporate all the new recommendations suggested by our government agency into the SOP. To sum up my presentation, drug safety is definitely something that we cannot ignore, especially we are in the healthcare industry, to ensure that the safety of the medicine delivered to our customers. So I think the SSOP is the best solutions for you to ensure a standard or a system given to your pharmacy in delivering your service better to your customers. With that, I end my presentation. Thank you.